like piano monody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always no lyrics. Perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts, and arts to peers. Calm, creative, and set a goal for long YouTube craft videos. Clean, minimal, loop soft wire instrumental, echo music for handmade craft videos, gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts, and arts tutorials. Calm, creative, and suitable for long YouTube craft videos. Soft water, instrumental, jak music for handicraft videos, gentle acoustic guitar like piano monody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always no lyrics. Perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts, and arts to peers. Calm, creative, and set a goal for long YouTube craft videos. Clean, minimal, loop Soft wire instrumental, I call music for handmade craft videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DIY handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative and suitable for long YouTube craft videos. Soft woman, sentimental, jak wniosek w handicraft videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano melody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always. No lyrics. Perfect for DIY handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts to peers. Calm, creative and set a goal for long YouTube craft videos. Clean, minimal loop soft wire instrumental, I call music for handmade craft videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DIY handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative and suitable